Hello and welcome to Peoria Riverfront Museum. My name is Lottie Fiddes and I'm the Curator of History here. Behind me you'll see the Courthouse Clock. The clock was manufactured in 1878 and it was manufactured by the Seth Thomas Company, and it is done in what's called the Hotchkiss pattern. The courthouse that this clock came from was actually the second courthouse to exist where today's courthouse is, and it was built in 1878. It was 4 stories and it was built out of limestone. This clock actually had 4 faces, a 14-foot long pendulum, and then a pendulum bob that weighed 500 pounds. Now, in 1964, the county decided that we needed to have a bigger courthouse, so the 1878 courthouse was going to be completely razed. The 4 faces of the clock and the pendulum and pendulum bob, along with the bell, were actually saved by a local man whose name was Vachon. It was intended to eventually go up at the Peoria airport, but that never happened, and Vachon eventually passed away. It was then, thanks to John H. Parks with Wheels of Time Museum, who oversaw the restoration of this clock. Once it was restored, it was gifted to the Peoria Historical Society, and then in 2012, it was installed here at the Peoria Riverfront Museum. It is on loan to us from the Peoria Historical Society. In part of the restoration, and then to be able to install it here, they did create a pendulum bob that was only 75 pounds, which was significantly down from the 500 pounds that it originally was. Thank you so much for watching Objectively Speaking here at Peoria Riverfront Museum.